Good morning, students. Today we are going to be practicing the vowel sound eh. If you are following along in your packet, we are on page 8, practice number 2. Listen to the following sentences and select which word I am saying. Number 1. The boys sat their bottoms down on the curb. Again, the boys sat their bottoms down on the curb. Number 2, they brought me a lot of gems from the specialty shops. Again, they bought a lot of gems from the specialty shop. Number 3, all my friends saw me and laughed. Again, all my friends saw me and laughed. Select which word you think I said and practice the correct pronunciation. Thank you so much. Have a great day.